Hey everyone, Harry here to talk about all kinds of skirmishing in Fulton County over the trial date. This was first put into motion by Ken Chesebro's request or demand for a speedy trial. That's a given under Georgia law, and so they have to try him. The jury has to be seated by early November. But nothing was said about severance. And right now, that means all 19 are joined at the hip with Chesebro, or at least that's what the DA, Fani Willis, is suggesting when she said to the court yesterday, you've got to, you can't just assume people are severed. There are standards you have to apply. Basically, there's got to be a showing by them that not that their odds would be better by being alone, but there's something really fundamentally unfair about being tried together. So in the aftermath of that, you have today Jeff Clark, the DOJ mid-level bureaucrat who wanted to run the whole place, saying, "Don't even set a trial date; it would be premature." That's to him. Then you have, we had some things from yesterday, but the latest, hot off the presses, is Trump himself, who is basically, there's this sort of back and forth between Willis and Trump's lawyers, essentially construing what the court has ruled already, which is a dicey proposition. Courts don't like being told what was in their minds. They like being asked questions and politely. But Trump, through his lawyer, is asserting that in granting the speedy trial to Chesebro, everyone else automatically was severed. Now that can't be. He might follow up with it, but right now, not only did the judge not do that, but you don't do it in a wholesale kind of way like that. So with Chesebro now anchored into early November, the other 18 have to make their individual cases. But the filing from Trump says that he's determined to presumptively sever anyone who asks, and that's a sort of gambit that Trump will play to avoid, if possible, having an evidentiary hearing for severance where somebody would have to testify. We saw what happened to Mark Meadows a few days ago. If Trump has to make a certain showing, that's going to be tricky. Now, you can do it through your lawyer, so that's not the big problem. The big problem is trying to push the date back by showing he makes the substantive standards for severance. That's coming and soon, but until it happens, right now, everyone is joined together with Chesebro, and that means everyone is presumptively going super early. It can't hold up that way. But how exactly it'll work out with severance and different the motions from especially the highest up folks like Clark and Trump remains to be seen. Talk to you later. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and other Talking Feds content, please take a second to like and subscribe. Talk to you later.